Hi there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore the exciting world of predictive maintenance and how it can drastically improve equipment reliability. We'll be diving deep into the heart of maintenance strategies, revealing how cutting-edge IoT technology can help your assets tell you exactly when they need some tender, loving care. Plus, we'll be sharing some key strategies on how to prevent breakdowns before they even happen. So, if you're a maintenance or operations team, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Let's dive right in and talk about optimizing equipment reliability with predictive maintenance. For those not in the know, predictive maintenance, also known as PDM, is a strategy that facility managers often use alongside Internet of Things, or IoT technology. This dynamic duo allows assets to report exactly when they need maintenance. With this system, you can easily gauge the state of your equipment and determine whether or not it needs maintenance. The result? Higher reliability overall. Now let's talk about a key strategy, figuring out when things are going to break and not letting them. A PDM program is designed to ideally never let equipment break down. Think of reliability as a binary situation. Things either break down or they don't. Maintenance managers use tools like vibration analysis, infrared imaging, and noise monitoring to keep a constant eye on assets and optimize reliability. These tools provide a comprehensive view of an asset's health at all times. This allows teams to send out technicians exactly when they're needed, or even better, before they're needed. By fixing issues before they have a chance to arise, you increase the overall reliability of your equipment. But what about the data? Well, PDM programs allow maintenance teams to set up either asset or area-specific monitoring systems, depending on their needs. This means that a particularly vital piece of equipment or equipment that breaks down frequently can have its own dedicated monitoring setup. Similarly, a large row of similar, non-critical equipment can use the same system as one. This not only increases a facility's reliability, but also optimizes the amount of money spent on the facility system as a whole. Technicians can closely monitor the most critical equipment without needing to focus their time so heavily on non-critical assets. Understanding the root causes of issues is another crucial component of equipment maintenance. PDM is excellent for root cause analysis because it pinpoints exactly what factor causes failures and helps to control for that factor. This results in a boost in reliability. Plus, PDM makes maintenance teams more efficient as they understand what is causing downtime and can work accordingly. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to optimize equipment reliability with predictive maintenance. By understanding when things are going to break, customizing your data sets, and understanding root causes, you can significantly improve the reliability and efficiency of your equipment. Thank you for watching. Today we've discussed how predictive maintenance, or PDM, can drastically improve equipment reliability and efficiency. We've also explored how to prevent breakdowns before they happen and how to understand the root causes of issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our services, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you optimize your maintenance strategies.